and stuff we love, we're talking about something everybody needs in their shop, clamps. These are the Irwin Quick Grip XP600 clamps. And Josh, you've been raving about these.
Super clamps. Super clamps. Actually, I have these ones, but this is the next step up that they actually just came out with.
Okay.
Yeah, I use these. These are super clamps because 600 pounds
of clamping force.
Clamping force you can get with one hand when squeezing with it. Another thing I like is they incorporated this tab here that doesn't get in the way. It's very convenient though. If you're gluing up, you want to put it on the table so everything stays flat.
You know, I love using clamps, but they're always falling around all over. Yeah.
Yeah, no, they are, and that's. I mean, if you bring it there, then you start running at it. It's teetering. Yeah. So. That's one reason. They got a 3 3/4 throat depth on them. I mean, that's huge for clamping force. You can pull these off and use them if you want to for clamping tighter spots if you need. The other thing I love that they've incorporated with these is you can use them as a spreader. So all you do
just pops off.
That's it. And then you slide this one down here. You can take this one, put it on, lock it, there you go. So I ran into a situation installing my shower door slab, stationary, and I actually took one of these, I put a suction cup on the glass, and it weighs about 400 pounds, 350 pounds, and I put this on the floor and put this on the suction cup, and then I lightly squeezed the glass up so I could shim the glass. I didn't have to call my neighbors, which means I don't owe them a favor. So I mean, there's so many things you can do with this, but if you, Andrew, just look at this. If we take this, and you squeeze this with one hand. Okay. Tighten it up with one hand. And
left hand.
Yeah, left hand. And then squeeze it and release it. Did you notice, like a lot of them?
Yeah, there was barely any kickback there. Yeah.
So the release is really nice on it. I don't know what they did in here or how they built it, but they built it right. So you can get 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 50.
So we've got the Irwin clamps, Quick Grip, XP600 series clamps. They're going to run you 20 to 30, 40 bucks online, or you can get them at Lowe's as well. Stay tuned for more stuff we love. We should have gotten some of the 50s, you know?
I know.
It's good, you know, for gluing up a tabletop. Or
50. You're the only one that does tabletops.